Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two hardware wallet for crypto, which is Ledger Flex and Trezor Safe 5. So let's dive into it. The Ledger Flex and Trezor 5 are both top-tier hardware wallet, but they cater to slightly different needs. The Ledger Flex stands out with its sleek, flexible design, Bluetooth connectivity, and compatibility with the Ledger Live app for managing multiple currency on the go. It also offers industry-leading security with a certified secure element chip, making it great for both beginners and advanced crypto holder. On the other hand, the Trezor C5 focused heavily on transparency and open source security. It has a larger color touchscreen for easier navigation, support a wide range of coins, and integrates with popular third-party wallets. While it lacks Bluetooth, it offers top-notch offline protection, which appeals for security-conscious users. So if you value portability and app integration, Ledger Flex is a winner, but if you prefer open source security and a more interactive interface, Trezor Safe 5 is hard to beat in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.